Okay, let's look at number 2. It says, what does the squeeze theorem say about the limit as x approaches 7 of f of x if the limit as x approaches 7 of L of x is equal to the limit x approaches 7 of u of x and it's equal to 6. And f of x and u of x and L of x are related as in the figure. Let's take a look at the figure. Maybe things will become more clear. All right? Let's take a look at it. I do see the f of x. F of x is this curve over here. Let me just trace it in for you. This is f of x. And let's talk about, let's see, the upper curve. They call that u of x, like this over here. Again, I'm just, outlining what it looks like. And then let's talk about the lower level, which is this over here. And what they said, and I'll look at it, I'm looking for some open interval, like this over here. And certainly I know there's an open interval there, and I want to put on some open interval near 7. What do I know? And again, we're looking at this picture over here. I know that looking at that u of x is greater or equal to f of x. And again, I'm looking at the picture, and this is going to be greater than or equal to L of x. Now, was it true everywhere? No. But on some open interval, I found one right here where that's certainly true. But if you went elsewhere, that's not true. For example, u of x is below f of x on a different interval. All right? But I want the interval to contain the number 7. And what do they tell me? They tell me the limit as x approaches 7 of L of x is equal to the limit as x approaches 7 of the upper curve, u of x, and that equals, I think that was equal to 6, right? The reading of it. So by the squeeze theorem, what does that tell us? Squeeze theorem, it tells us that the limit, and again, we got a proper squeeze here, as x goes towards 7 of the function f of x would also equal 6. But let me just point this out again. It just has to be an open interval that contains 7, and it doesn't have to be everywhere, but some open interval that contains 7. Let's go back and look at the answer key and just read that to you. The squeeze theorem does not require that the inequalities hold for all x, only for inequalities hold on some open interval. We just mentioned that, where in this case c is going to be the number 7. It is clear that L of x is below f of x less than u of x on some open interval containing 7. And again, we know these limits have been given to us as being 6. Therefore, it guarantees that guy's limit is also equal to 6. Thank you.